Hey guys, how you doing? Looks like Barry is now become a Category 1 hurricane and moving up the Louisiana coast. So it's strengthened as of Saturday morning to a Category 1 maximum sustained power of 75 miles per hour. And this is Barry's eye wall is approaching the landfall of Louisiana coastline and growing in the center of the Gulf of Mexico. And so there's major flood warnings and stuff as it passed through Louisiana and throughout Arkansas. We'll keep you posted regarding more information regarding that, but those who live in the area, keep safe and let us know how you guys doing.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.